Hi guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, we are doing a Max fashion haul. I also have some stuff from Lifestyle to show to you guys. So over the period of last 1.5 months, we've been to the mall twice, and both of the times we shopped from Max and from Lifestyle as well. So I thought it would be great to just make a little haul out of it, because I actually got quite a lot of new stuff from Max for myself. Mom got something from herself, and literally like we have got stuff for a lot of people in like my house. So in case this is something that interests you, then please continue watching this video. Also new haircut, Kushi. Anyways, so without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so first up, let's get done with the Lifestyle pieces because I have less stuff from Lifestyle. So I'll start off with what I got from Lifestyle. So first up, I have this ginger tea, Ginger by Lifestyle. It's a brand under Lifestyle. So first up, this is this white colored tea that says no paparazzi please. It has a camera and some neon detailing. Love it. It's actually in the size large, and it was on like a 70% discount, so I got it only for rupees like 150 or 200. So when we went to Lifestyle, बहुत ज़्यादा discounts लगे हुए थे. So जितना भी मुझे सामान मिला है was like starting from 30 to 70%. काफ़ी ज़्यादा discount था. So yeah, that's that. So this is this first t-shirt, and the material, of course, it's from Lifestyle. I really like Lifestyle का जो clothing material होता है. I have jeans from Lifestyle as well, and it's my go-to skinny jeans. It's literally the perfect jeans. Like, it's very soft. So similarly, the t-shirt is also very nice. It's very good. It's large in size. It's oversized. So that is like, that works pretty fine to me. Okay, so next up, we got a t-shirt for my Mama Ji. So it's Raksha Bandhan, and usually people buy mithai for like their relatives and all, but me and my mom, we really have this belief कि मिठाई देने से like हम मीठा खाते हैं और मीठा सबके घर में होता है, फिर और मीठा हो जाता है तो वो ख़त्म नहीं होता है. एंड कीपिंग इन माइंड माई फैमिली की हेल्थ जो हिस्ट्री है, ऑल ऑफ देम आर लाइक नॉट अलाउड टू हैव टू मच शुगर. सो मीठा इन जनरल भी इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई वी ऑलवेज मेक श्योर दैट वी गेट समथिंग जो वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं ऑन रक्षाबंधन. सो my mom got a t-shirt for her brother, my Mama Ji. This is this UCLA t-shirt. It's a grey t-shirt with some black detailing. This is actually charcoal grey, and it has like a really nice sort of a gold detailing right here, if you guys can see. I really like it. It's very classy, like adds something to your normal regular t-shirt. And this is in the size small. Is it in the size small? Yeah, it's in the size small because my Mama Ji is fat, so I don't know small उनको कैसे फिट आएगा, but yeah, ये फिट हो जाएगा. And this is for rupees 1200. So I'm not really sure कि इस पर discounts कितने थे, because it's been a while कि हमें shopping में गए थे और मुझे नहीं याद है. But this is the t-shirt that we got. The material is very soft, very nice. Your everyday go-to t-shirt जो वो डाल सकते हैं. So yeah, and of course he likes wearing collar t-shirts, so we got a collar t-shirt for him. Okay, next up we have another t-shirt. I don't know who this t-shirt is for, but we got it. We are still figuring out कि हमें किसको gift करनी है. But this t-shirt is like a grey t-shirt, and it has this sort of waves इसके ऊपर बने हुए in white, and it's a plain like all grey t-shirt. It's from a brand called Fame Forever Essentials Medium, and this is for rupees 900. So it's a pretty nice t-shirt, round collar t-shirt, and collar पे भी थोड़ी सी white detailing है. So I really like it. One thing that I really love about these t-shirts is that I know that any person who is going to wear these t-shirts is going to be super comfortable throughout the day. And that's why I feel like कि आप अपने basics में ना ज़्यादा सस्ता जाने की भी कोशिश मत करो. Always get your basics from good brands, because those are the clothes or like items जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करने वाले हो. So yeah, I think this t-shirt is also nice, and जो भी इसको डालेगा वो अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, next up I got something for my cousin's sister. So you guys know that my Mama Ji has 2 kids. एक लड़का एक लड़की है. The boy is named Karthik and the girl is Shagun. So Shagun मेरे भाई को राखी बांधती है, like चक्षु को, because मामा जी की बेटी है. So उसके लिए मैं एक ड्रेस लेके आई हूँ. This was chosen by my mom. Yeah, it's from a brand called Peppermint, and this is for rupees 900. So yeah, that is how this one looks. So this is sort of a suspender short situation, like it has shorts यहाँ पे, but ऊपर से it has like क्या बोलते हैं इसको, play suit नहीं, jump suit, dangri sort of a vibe. So it's like a dangri, but ये पीछे से इसमें elastic and it has like crosses. So I think like basic white t-shirt के साथ वो बहुत प्यारी लगेगी इसके अंदर. Anyways, it also has like this really cute button detailing. I love it. Golden color accents. Oh my god, really like it. So yeah, I mean, kids clothing is just literally so much more fun and just very interesting when compared to like clothes that we wear. So the last thing that my mom got for herself from Lifestyle is this really nice material black palazzo. So you guys can see like this is one leg of palazzo, so it's like a very khulla palazzo, and it's jet black, plain black, and the material is super soft, and it has also got some tassels right here. That is how they look. So my mom has been looking for basic palazzo pants since really long, and I think ये जैसे खुले वाले प्लाजो होते हैं, ये हर एक सूट कुर्ती बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ चल जाते हैं. Black palazzo is a must. So mom was just like, वो ऐसे ही देखते, she wasn't planning to buy it, but then I was like, get it because आप ढूंढ रहे हो and फिर रह जाता है. So this I think these were for rupees 500, लेकिन इनमें कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था. ये ओरिजिनली ही 500 के थे, बट ये लाइफस्टाइल से, एंड इनका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है. ये मेरी मम्मी 2-3 बार ही धो चुकी है बिकॉज ये जब से आया वो इसको लाइक पहने. ब्लैक इज समथिंग लाइक यू वेयर ऑल द टाइम. सो और इसकी क्वालिटी अभी भी बहुत अच्छी है. लाइक आई हैव नेवर सीन हर हैड any issue with it till now. So yeah, but next up I have some stuff from Max Fashion. Now बहुत recently ही मैंने Max से shopping करनी start किया, but I've realized that they have some really amazing stuff. Like अभी तक हम सिर्फ affordable में Big Bazaar की बात करते थे या lifestyle की, but I think Max also has great collection when it comes to their clothing. So first up, let's start with what I'm wearing right now. So the first top that I got is this really beautiful yellow polka dot top. Now it's a very normal top, but the star of the top is this nice round detailing, and you know इसका top का इतना प्यारा fit है. It feels like, you know, like if you check out fashion and style like mid-80s of Hollywood, you would really find like ladies wearing tops like these, and especially with my haircut. Now I look like a 80s mom, but it's a really nice top. The material is very nice. It's of course from Max, and it is in the size small. I think this top was originally for rupees 800 or 900, but it was on discount, and I think I got it for around 350 or 400. But the quality is very nice, and I really like the design is very interesting and it's very different. Also it's very vintage, aesthetic, and all of the good things. So this is the first top that I got, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so next up I've got this t-shirt for my brother. I think this t-shirt, yeah, it also has its tag on. So this t-shirt was for rupees 300. It's in the size medium, and it says Paidaishi Ziddi. Now the moment I saw this t-shirt, I was like, Mama, ले लेते हैं, because it really suits my brother. He's stubborn, okay, he can be like very stubborn at times, so that's why I got this t-shirt. It's your like really basic material, like जो अच्छी t-shirt का material होता है, this is that material, size medium, and print बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा. They like, I think men's section में इतनी ज़्यादा ऐसे like quirky t-shirts हैं उनके पास जिनके ऊपर text में बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है. Like if you ever go to like local में मेरे अलांटे मॉल है जहाँ पे मैक्स का स्टोर है, please check out men's section का t-shirt like area जो है, because they have some amazing like texties and ऐसे design and ऐसे graphic t-shirts, and the range is again from 250 to 300. उससे ऊपर कोई t-shirt नहीं है, but really like it. Okay, so the next t-shirt, and I'm like super excited about this piece, is a very beautiful Batman t-shirt. Now जैसे शगुन मेरे भाई को राखी बांधती है, वैसे I tie राखी to my cousin brother Karthik. So I got this t-shirt for Karthik, and look at it. I am so happy. ये t-shirt मम्मा ने पसंद की थी, but I'm just so happy. It has this like Batman branding going on all over. Like t-shirt के अंदर भी यहाँ पे भी Batman का logo बना हुआ है. So I'm not really sure. I don't know like अगर उनका कोई exclusive collection type आया था इसके साथ, because यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Batman और Max का अलग से tag है. So this t-shirt was for rupees 450. Like look at the price, okay? 450 में you're getting such an amazing t-shirt, एंड इसके ऊपर पूरा ऐसे बैटमैन वाला प्रिंट बना हुआ है. आई एम होपिंग कि उसको ये टी शर्ट बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. एंड जो इसका बैटमैन भी है ना, वो इट्स लाइक इट हैज़ लाइक सम टेक्सचर गोइंग ऑन. सो आई फील लाइक ये उसको बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. So this is my Rakhi gift to my brother. Okay, so the next t-shirt. Yes, we picked up a lot of t-shirts because we love t-shirts. As a family, we love t-shirts. So the next t-shirt that we picked up is for my mom. It's this really beautiful baby pink t-shirt which has this Moorpunk print going on all over. Can you guys see? So the material of the t-shirt is very soft, very comfortable. Again, she has washed this t-shirt like I think 2 to 3 times जब से आई है, because she wears her clothes very often. So this is from Max and this is in the size XL. That is the size that fits my mom. So this is a t-shirt and personally वहाँ पे बहुत सारे designs थे, but I just feel like baby pink is my mom's color and she really believes in Bhagwan ji, Thakur ji. So इस पे of course मोरपंख बने हुए थे. So my mom had to buy this t-shirt only. So yeah, this is an amazing t-shirt for all the ladies out there who always look for comfortable t-shirts and you feel like कि आपको अच्छी नहीं मिल रही है, then please check out Max's t-shirt collection. It's great. Now another thing that mommy got for herself is this really beautiful kurta. This is the kurta that I actually wore in my Rakhi makeup look video for my Instagram. So you guys should go and definitely check that video out. It's a beautiful Rakhi makeup look that you can also wear for other festivals that are coming up. But anyways, this is the kurta that I got. कहाँ जा रहा है ये रहा ये kurta. So no, I'm showing it from the back side. So this is how the kurta looks. It's a very nice dark purple kurta which has this sort of a chicken and thread detailing going on all over. ये यहाँ से start होती है और ये पूरे उसके side में नीचे तक है. So again, this is from Max. This is for ₹600 and this is in the size XL. Again, I feel like for the quality of the kurta that you're getting, 600 is like very apt to pay for. And again, इस side भी वही वाली detailing and it's just a very plain kurta that you can just throw on and go to the market, do the groceries and normally भी डाल सकते हो. It's very 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 comfortable. Okay, so I'll cover my stuff now, then we'll move on to the last stuff that mama got for herself. So I got another t-shirt and I think this t-shirt was for ₹200 if I'm not wrong. So this is the t-shirt that I'm talking about. जो लोग मुझे Instagram पे follow करते हैं उन्होंने देख लिया होगा. So I've been wearing this t-shirt घर पे and बाहर भी and I really like this t-shirt. The color of the t-shirt is this really nice Pinteresty sage green and the print is also like geometric abstract sort of thing and इस पे बस लिखा है Max and this is in the size small. I really wanted like a normal fitting t-shirt, so that's why I picked up the size small. Whenever I need to go like oversized, I go for L or XL, but इसमें small fits me super perfectly and super nice. So again, Max has a really good t-shirt collection, so you might want to check it out. Okay, so next up is my most expensive t-shirt purchased from Max that didn't turn out good. So I'm talking about this really nice t-shirt. Okay, so this is like a crop t-shirt. It's not like super crop, but if you're gonna wear it and you're gonna do this, then your tummy is going to show. So I got this crop t-shirt. I was very excited about this t-shirt because this t-shirt had written like on this reflective thing. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था no plans for today and नीचे लिखा था surprise me. So and this entire thing was like maroon and reflective. अगर आपको दिख रहा हो ना थोड़ा सा ये भी ऊपर से maroon है. I wore this t-shirt in my last vlog, so you guys can go and check that out. The vlog in which I had my haircut. So I wore this t-shirt once when I went to shoot with Pariche, and of course when I came back home and my mom was like, okay, I'm gonna wash it because you've worn it once. And I was like, ठीक है. And उन्होंने ये t-shirt normal t-shirts की तरह उसको धोया जैसे मेरी बाकी सारी t-shirts धुलती हैं. And I don't know what happened, but I don't know it was soap or like what happened, but इसका जो यहाँ पे ऐसे reflective सा print था उसमें like red color था जिसकी वजह से text दिखता था, वो red color ही चला गया. Like my t-shirt is literally spoiled right now and यहाँ से तो थोड़ा थोड़ा इसका रिफ्लेक्टिव वाला पार्ट भी चला गया है. So I don't really know, like I'm gonna still wear this t-shirt, like I'm still gonna wear this t-shirt at my home because it's very comfortable, it looks very nice on me. But the only point is कि जिसके लिए t-shirt ली थी वही ख़राब हो गई. So and this t-shirt was for ₹300 and it's in the size medium, but I don't really know like what is wrong with this Max की ऐसी reflective t-shirt. So ये reflective वाली t-shirt मत लेना. Next up is my favorite item from this entire haul and my favorite purchase from Max. I'm talking about this really beautiful dress. Okay, let me just open it because it's super pretty. So this is the dress that I'm talking about. It's an off-shoulder dress, but you can also like bring the sleeves like that. And it is like a complete white polka dot dress. It's a midi length dress and it's very beautiful. I think a dress like this, it's very classy, it's very chic. You can pair it up with flats, heels, and even like your normal sneakers. It's gonna look beautiful. Also, like it has this frill detail going on. I love this. I'm living for this detail. पीछे से it has this sort of a detail जिसकी वजह से it's not going to be that tight. Like I don't know इसको क्या बोलते हैं. I know इसको क्या बोलते हैं, but अभी मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं याद आएगा कि इसको क्या बोलते हैं. Anyways, it also comes with like tie details if you like want to like tighten your dress up. It really gives you that nice structure going on. But love this dress. ये है in the size medium and ये dress मुझे पड़ी थी around 400 की. It was on like 50% discount. 800 की भी होती तब भी it was not a bad price, but 50% पे तो I was like ले रही हूँ मैं अब इसको. I'm like buying it. Okay, so the last thing of this haul is going to be this beautiful long kurta that my mom got for herself. This is this Max ka kurta. This is how this one looks. So it has like this big checks line details. It also comes with a pocket. So great, love when kurtas or dresses have pockets. And it has like this really nice line print going on, and it's like a printed dress. But let me tell you, the material amazing. Like my mom has bought like such kurtas previously as well, and I know how much she appreciates this kind of fit and this kind of design. So this is Max kurta and this is in the size XXL. And ये इनकी range है workwear range, elegant and comfortable range for 9 to 5 dressing. Totally agree with that. And this is for ₹800. And again, I feel like so worth it. So that was the last thing that we bought from Max, and I feel like you guys should definitely try out Max fashion. काफी affordable और बहुत अच्छा stuff भी है उनके पास. So yeah, I think that's it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below which was your favorite piece, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. तब तक के लिए bye bye, ta ta, and namaste.